Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a radio effect in Metasounds. First of all, we need a wave player. This is where we play the audio. And on finished, we want this output node, as I am not trying to loop anything, just play this once, then finish. This system is made of two main parts. First, we are going to modify the voice, and then we are going to add white noise to it. But let's see the raw audio. Próba, 1, 2, 3. After that, we add a low pass filter and a high pass filter. So basically, the low pass filter cuts off the higher frequencies and the high pass filter cuts off the low frequencies. So as you can see, around here it peaks and it goes down here and here on the other one as we combine them. These numbers worked well for me. The wave shaper, I genuinely don't know how this works, but it makes the effect sound better, so let's just keep it here. Without the wave shaper, próba, 1, 2, 3. With the wave shaper, próba, 1, 2, 3. These top 3 settings worked well for me, so anything is fine from here. Whatever you like. Here is just a simple mono mixer with the gain change. So let's go to the upper part. Now listen to this part only. This will be our noise, but we want it to fit better to the sounds, the voice. So I made 2 types of it. What you heard just now is the same as this, but with the gain down. So it's less loud. But I also combine this noise with the audio output from the high pass filter, what gives us this sound. Basically, this is following my voice in the video. So with all these combined, we have a pretty good radio effect, I would say. Próba, 1, 2, 3. Próba, 1, 2, 3. Of course, you can change any parameters as you like. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, you know what to do. Have a good day. Bye.